Hello viewers, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to take a thrilling deep dive into the future of industrial production, a future that's already here. We're talking about Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution that's redefining how we manufacture and maintain. Stick around to learn about interconnected cyber-physical systems, or CPS, and how they're driving this major shift. We'll also cover the four main principles that underpin Industry 4.0. So let's get started. Welcome to the exciting world of Industry 4.0. You may be wondering, what exactly is Industry 4.0? It's the latest trend in industrial production that's all about the use of interconnected cyber-physical systems, or CPS for short. Right now, we're in the middle of major developments in industrial and manufacturing processes. These breakthroughs are so advanced that we're calling it the fourth industrial revolution. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The first industrial revolution happened in the 18th century with the development of the water wheel and steam engine. Fast forward about 100 years and we entered the second industrial revolution, where industries began to mass produce products using electric power. Then, not too long ago, we experienced the third industrial revolution, also known as the digital revolution, where computers were adopted to automate manufacturing processes. Now we're in the fourth industrial revolution, where machines have gained an unprecedented level of autonomy. This change can be attributed to cyber-physical systems and advancements in communication systems. These innovations have enabled machines to take physical inputs, calculate a logical decision based on an algorithm, and perform a physical output, all without human intervention. This intertwined nature of software and hardware is what's ushering in the fourth industrial revolution. But what exactly is a cyber-physical system? It's a mechanism that collects data from observable physical events and processes the data to instruct future actions. Imagine a computer numerical control, or CNC machine, that can perform tasks based on some code you add to it. Now imagine the same CNC machine with CPS concepts applied to it. It can not only produce your required three-dimensional model, but it can also collect historical data and run simulations to give you insights on how to create the model with the least number of machine processes and the least amount of material. These autonomous machines that act based on collected data are also being applied to maintenance practices. CPS can decide based on artificial intelligence and predictive logic. It can collect all available data to run algorithms that simulate performance variations with respect to different parameters. Now let's dive into the four basic principles that characterize the major concepts on which the fourth industrial revolution is based. First, we have interconnection. Thanks to the internet, we can have continuous data exchange even over remote locations. This is known as the Internet of Things, or IoT, where data communication is no longer limited to a few devices. Instead, various equipment and plant components now have the ability to send or receive data through the internet. Second, there's information transparency. With accessible communication, data and information can be collected and stored in greater quantities. Raw data from sensors are gathered and analyzed to provide accurate representations of equipment and their environment. Third, we have decentralized decisions. Through the use of systems like CPS, decisions can be tailored to a particular situation. Embedded computer sensors allow the monitoring and controlling of specific equipment from which data is gathered. Lastly, there's technical assistance. As we transition to Industry 4.0, the focus of the human workforce is shifting. With machines like CPS having more autonomy in performing tasks, the human component is shifting more towards specialized decision-making. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 is the only industrial revolution era that has been identified while ongoing, instead of being identified after the fact. It's showing huge potential in the automation and artificial intelligence space that transcends the usual production applications up to proactive maintenance and overall process improvements. So buckle up and get ready for the ride, because the future of Industry 4.0 is here and it's exciting. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the exciting world of Industry 4.0, learned about interconnected cyber-physical systems, and covered the four main principles that underpin this revolution. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Once again, thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.